Guys, so today we're gonna have white rice with chicken and broccoli, and I made it myself. Home food is always good food. I love broccoli. I just made that shirt. I crocheted it myself. I think I want to put, instead of wearing something underneath, maybe like straps across it. I haven't decided yet. So when I make my chicken and broccoli, I use vinegar. I love the taste of it. I didn't have any regular vinegar. I had apple cider vinegar that I basically just use for my hair. So I poured a little bit in there. Very good. And the only salt I use is in the rice. I add just a little for flavor. And I use sazon and sofrito for the chicken with a little bit of apple cider vinegar. Very simple. have any ideas on videos that I can do, just leave it below. Um, I don't eat pork. I don't eat a lot of seafood. The only kind of seafood that I really do eat is like perch and smelt, stuff like that. Um, I want to do a fish fry. Just not sure when. I've never been big on like cakes and pies and stuff like that. Now, when we were young, my grandmother, rest her soul, made these I think they're called apple fritters. Or they're like little apple pies, but she made them homemade. I love them things. Can't eat too many of them, but I love them. I think I'm gonna try to make those. Maybe a video as I'm making them. And of course, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Hit that little bell down there so you get notifications. And give me a thumbs up. Or just subscribe. I was watching a video earlier about a girl, and she was reading this post, and she's come really far in her career on YouTube and Instagram and her own company and all that. And the post said that the woman had opened up her own shop or something. What her family wouldn't support her or something like that. And I can totally agree, because I have family and friends. I mean, I may not see them every day, we may not talk every day, but when they do stuff, I try to support them. Excuse me. My friends, excuse me, they need, want something done or need something done or curious about something, they call me, and I try to do it for them. But when I ask for them to subscribe to my channel, it's like pulling teeth. And it's like, okay, I couldn't understand that until I watched her post, and I guess I understand. You just gotta pretty much do what they do, I guess. But it is strangers who support you the most, because the little bit of subscribers that I have now have been a great help. So thank you very much. And my family and friends who have subscribed, I love you. Thank you. I get a lot of, oh well, I have a YouTube channel, but I'm not really on there. Didn't ask you that. First of all. Secondly, all I asked you to do is subscribe. That's all I need you to do. My videos are doing pretty good. I got the pretty good view time. I just need subscribers. I think I left my Pepsi in the freezer too long. It's slushy now. I was thinking about doing something special for the last 10 subscribers when I hit 1,000. The last 10 that got me there. Or let's do the first 10 and the last 10. We'll figure it out. First then last. That got me there. I don't know how I'm going to do it, but in between there, I'll figure out something. So when I hit 1,000, I'm going to do a giveaway. I don't know what it is yet, but I'll let you guys know when I get closer to it. But I'm done, as you can see. Hope you guys have a great one. Be safe out there. And we'll talk to you soon. Don't forget to subscribe.